The instrument panel in the brand new X5 is new as well, so I want to go over that with you guys too. So for the options for what you can display in it, you have several options over here. You can have navigation on or off. If I activate it on, you can see now that there's a little logo in the middle. I don't have any route occurring right now, so it's not going to tell me anything right now. And I'll go ahead and turn that off so you can see it kind of go away. And you can also have the speed made into miles per hour and kilometers per hour if you want. There's some additional information. You also have speed limit warnings display there. And you can choose if you want your infotainment list in the instrument panel or the head-up display if you have that. So right now I have it coming up in the instrument panel. So that's this button right here. And that'll show you your media. And if you want to scroll down, you can scroll down with this button right here. So like I said earlier, you can have that on the instrument panel, or you can have that up in the head-up display. So it might be kind of hard to see right now, but let's try it out. Head-up display. So it's blinking right now on the video, but you know, in real life it doesn't do that. So now if I press it on, since I have it activated for the head-up display, it'll appear. Let's see if I can get it in the camera. You can see it kind of faintly. There you go. It's better in the shade, but if I press it, it now appears up on here, and I can scroll through the same way with the little scroll button right there. So that's pretty cool.